Walter von der Vogel Weid by Henry Longfellow. Vogelweid the Minnesinger, when he left this world of ours, laid his body in the cloister under Wurtzburg's minster towers. They gave the monks his treasures, gave him all with his behest, where he should feed the birds at noontide, daily on his place of rest, saying, "From these wandering minstrels I have learned the art of song, let me now repay the lessons they have taught so well and long." Thus the bard of love departed, and fulfilling his desire, on his tomb the birds were feasted by the children of the choir. Day by day our tower and turret and flew thither and thither, day by day in vaster numbers flocked the poets of the air. On the tree whose heavy branches overshadowed all the place, on the pavement, on the tombstone, on the poet's sculpted face, on the crossbars of each window, on the linnet of each door, he renewed the war Wurtzburg which the bard had fought before. There they sang the male carols, sang their lords on every side, and the name the voice uttered was the name of Vogel Weid. Till at length the portal a bit murmured, "Why this waste of wood? We change to loaves henceforward for a tasting brotherhood." Then in vain our tower and towered from walls and woodland nests, and the minster bells during noontide gathered the unwelcome guests. Then in vain with cries discordant, clamorous around the Gothic spire, screamed the feathered minnesingers, the children of the choir. Time has long effaced the inscriptions on the cloister's funeral stones, and tradition only tells us where repose the poet's bones. But around the vast cathedral, by sweet echoes multiplied, still the birds repeat the legend and the name of Vogelweid.